words change meaning with an S? The power of plurals. The word customs, meaning border control or tariff, collection, originates from the concept of custom law in medieval times. Here's the historical context and linguistic development. Custom and custom law. The word custom originally referred to a traditional practice or habit, derived from the Latin word consuetudo. In the Middle Ages, many societies operated under what was known as custom law, unwritten rules and traditions that governed various aspects of life, including trade. These customs were widely accepted as legal standards, especially in cases where formal laws had not yet been established. When goods were traded across regions or borders, it was customary to levy charges based on these traditional rules. Over time, this practice of imposing fees on imported or exported goods became formalized as custom law. From custom to customs. As trade expanded, custom law gave rise to organized systems for collecting tariffs and regulating goods at borders. This institution became known as customs, plural, referring to the various duties or taxes imposed on traded goods. The use of customs in the plural form is likely because these systems encompassed multiple practices, rules, and duties, a collection of customs related to trade and taxation, language shift, and institutionalization. Over time, customs came to specifically denote the government agency responsible for enforcing these trade-related laws and collecting tariffs. This usage became widespread as global trade and border control became more formalized. The plural form customs distinguishes the institution or practice from the singular custom, which retains its original meaning of habit or tradition. A linguistic parallel. This shift is not unique to customs. Similar transformations occurred with other words. Force to forces. Force, singular physical power. The hurricane's force destroyed several buildings. Forces, plural, organized military groups. The country deployed its armed forces to protect the border. Work to works. Work, singular, a task. She has a lot of work to do before the deadline. Works, plural, factories, creations, or mechanisms. The artist's works are displayed in the gallery. Air to airs. Air, singular, the invisible gas we breathe. The mountain air is fresh and invigorating. Airs, plural, pretentious behavior or attitude. He puts on airs, acting as if he's better than everyone else. Wood to woods. Wood, singular, material from trees. This table is made of fine wood. Woods, plural, a forest. They went camping in the woods last weekend. Key example. In modern English, customs refers to the government body or checkpoint, where goods and individuals are inspected at borders. Its roots in custom law highlight how traditional practices of trade and taxation evolved into formalized systems of governance. So, the connection between customs and custom law lies in the historical role of traditional practices in shaping formal trade regulations, which eventually became the institution we now recognize as customs. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.